Alright guys, hello and welcome back. So we are here again in Primm, Nevada. We are at the Primm Valley Resort and Casino. So we're going to be taking a quick walkthrough of the casino floor. Now this one has been here for a while as well. So has Buffalo Bills. All these at Primm have been here for a little bit of time. So if you guys have been here before, if you haven't, I recommend checking these places out. They have kind of a old nostalgia to them, not like the Cosmo or anything, you know. These are basic, awesome, old Western casinos. I love them. Today is dark, sunglasses on in here. Alright, so again, we're gonna walk over to the right as coming in from the right entranceway here. So far, it looks to be better than Whiskey Pete's. I mean, Whiskey Pete's was pretty cool for the Bonnie and Clyde car, but I think that's the only thing it really has going for it. Here, it kind of looks more like an old Western saloon than kind of what Whiskey Pete's did, but Whiskey Pete's was kind of special because it had the Bonnie and Clyde car itself. Just kind of want to do some slow views so you guys can see it, so it actually focuses in by the time it goes. But we'll continue off over to the right hand side. So the monorail over to Whiskey Pete's actually comes in right over here. So you can catch that at Whiskey Pete's, take it to the Primm Valley Casino, so that way you don't have to cross underneath the interstate and hit the lights through there.
$5 ones over here.
Right through here, this is the high limit slot area here at Primm Valley. Kind of take a walk through of this little spot here. We'll work our way around to the right again. There's table gaming out in the center. It's not active right now. I believe they have two going. I think it's blackjack right now. I'll be sure to walk by and do the table minimums here for you because I know somebody requested that, so I'll be sure to kind of include that in some of these strip walk videos and things like that for you folks. But I do like the Primm Valley Casino. It is pretty nice in here. It's a little bit better than Whiskey Pete's. So far so good. Cash cage is over on the left hand side, so like I said, we'll kind of avoid that area here. There's a spot over to the right. The security station is over to the right, obviously. Close to the cash cage, as you all would imagine. But anyway, we're going to try and talk so we don't get copyright infringement with the music choice and selection here at Whiskey Pete's. But kind of work our way around to the other side of the casino here and take you on the other side of the casino floor. Off over to the right hand side will be some restrooms, so if you guys need to use the restroom while you're here at Primm Valley, check that out. We got the back nine bar up over here to the right, so you guys can check that out. Looks like a bar grill type of atmosphere environment. Looks pretty casual, it seems like. It doesn't seem to be anything dress up type, which is always nice. Alright, so let's see. We don't have the signs up for the minimums because tables aren't open. They're all electronic signs, so let me check up here for you guys quick. Looks like they got $5 and $15 minimums for blackjack over here. They have the Country Club buffet is right over here. So Primm Valley does have a buffet. If you're interested in checking it out, let's go check out some of the prices here. Let's check out the times of the Country Club buffet here. So Friday dinner from 3 to 9 for $19.95. Brunch on Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. $17.95. Dinner 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. $19.95. So not too bad. Pretty cheap actually compared to some of the buffets here in Las Vegas. But don't know how good it is. You'd actually have to go in there and try it. There's GP's Steakhouse over to the right here. There's a little pizza shop, ice cream place here. It's called Pizza at Primm. They have a sports book here, which is buried off over to the right. And your hotel check-in is going to be up here. There's also another little restaurant area up over to the right as well. So we'll check that out here. Looks like that restaurant is called Primm and Proper. They got Mrs. Fields coffee and donuts, so if you're interested in that, check that out. Hotel guest registration. I would assume this would be their lobby bar. Like every famous casino in Las Vegas, they have to have the classic lobby bar. And up straight ahead is going to be the sports books, and if you drove here, the right is the parking garage. But they have plenty of parking up front for guests as well, so if you want to check that out, you definitely can. We've got a pretty decent sized casino floor here at Primm Valley, a lot bigger, I would say almost double than Whiskey Pete's. But we'll compare that here with Buffalo Bill's, because Buffalo Bill's is just right across the street. So once we finish up here at the Primm Valley Casino, we will check out Buffalo Bill's a little bit down the way. And that does have the roller coaster out at Buffalo Bill's and a few other rides too. I think there's like a log flume or something like that. So we are basically back to the entry point that we came in, guys. So I think that we'll leave off with our quick tour here of the Primm Valley Casino here in Primm, Nevada. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys like the content, be sure to throw up the thumbs up on the video. If you guys haven't already subscribed yet, click on the 4K logo down in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. That will get you subscribed to the channel. If you're interested in any of the merchandise or supporting the channel, up in the top right there will be a link for that. At the end of the video, there's a link for my Patreon as well. Consider donating. It will help out the channel so we can create more content like this. But I hope you all have a beautiful day. My name is Ryan. I'll be your host as always. And next, we'll show you some Buffalo Bills.